Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Great Wall V200 Ute, stock reference number 5025. This shape runs from the second month 2011 through to the first month 2015. It has a GW4D20 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel, backed by a 6-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. GW4D20 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left chrome power door mirror, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a ball tyre, factory fitted alloy tray with rear ladder rack, all bolts and brackets, aftermarket TAG tow bar with all bolts, brackets, loom and neck, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right door has 4 small dents, right guard appears to have no damage, right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre and a right power door mirror in chrome. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, 2-switch type. This vehicle has grey cloth interior, manual type centre console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, left sun visor, interior mirror, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.